What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I think in past videos it's been okay with the windows down with the dead cat on here. But we're going to a cruise. And going to a cruise. Hopefully it's a good night. It seems like the weather's gonna be perfect. So hopefully we have a good fun time here. And I wish I brought the GoPro. I was trying to set it up, but just did not work out. My batteries aren't charged. I got home from work, washed the car really quick. The wideband is broken. I ordered a new one and it got lost in the mail. So we're rocking unknown air fuels. It works sometimes, but usually it's inaccurate. So yeah, we're just gonna try to see what we can do here. Certainly not easy. I did an alignment, seemed to fix. Certainly hard to drive holding the camera, so I probably won't do much of that unless we're just cruising. But yeah, next time we'll get the GoPro, guys. My bad. I'm really bad. But yeah, the car's, it's running pretty good. I had a little breakup the other morning when I was driving it, but it seems like it's running good now, so hopefully it holds together for us. I did a little alignment. The rear end, the right rear was like 0.2 on the towed in. So I think that was hurting me. That had me kind of dog tracking. My thrust angle was off, so the front end was off too, so it was like torque steering all over the place. So yeah, if you guys can't hear me, it was bad. But we're doing good now. It's rocking. The car's doing good. As long as I'm not getting into it, the wheel pretty much goes pretty straight. You know, there's a crown to the road, so it's gonna pull a little bit, but it's as good enough as I can get it for a quick alignment, a little 20-minute alignment. I'll take it. So yeah, hopefully we get to this cruise. A few minutes here, we'll get there a little early, we'll check out some of the cars, and we're gonna go for like a nice cruise up to the brewery. So should be fun. Anyway, catch you guys at the next destination. All right, guys, we're rolling out. Charger. Oh, those rumble strips are aggressive. And then we got a nice Camaro there, 2022. And then you'll see Chris all the way at the top there. It's in the red C4. It's been fun so far, guys. Lost everybody like once. Not really. We kind of got them back. We had a little merge going on, and people just had to get in front of somebody, you know? I just gotta move one more car up, even though all these guys are clearly together. Super rude, but we took a turn and all got back up with each other, so everybody's cars are running good, seems like. Gotta try to drive here, you know? Looks like everybody pulled off here.
Nice. Yeah, yep. That's beautiful.
Got the ZL1 out. Chevy, this thing sounded sweet. Cammed, headers. Sounded good. Coming up. I missed it on video, but got the Accord out. Should pop the hood, I guess. Chris got his Corvette out. Everything's looking nice and clean. Get the other orange Camaro out. This thing's sweet, Charger. Super clean. I'm taking a video. You're good. You can be in it. Dude, you got the Corbos. You got the real seats. Dang. Wish I didn't buy
Not
fake
your
seats.
Amazon seats.
Why didn't I buy real seats, Will?
Like, look at his radio though. That's
Why am I so cheap? What is? Oh, it's a Bluetooth speaker. That's really.
That's all you need.
Honestly, yeah, for
AirPods?
a race car. This thing's clean. I like it. He got hit by that bus too with all the dust. We got sprayed by a bus. They dusted us down. I'm like the only guy here with a camera, so I feel awkward, but I'm really trying. I'm trying to film for you guys. I'm bad at this. That's weird, dude. This thing's so sick, this ZR1 coming in.
ZR1?
It's like lowered. Yeah, you didn't see it coming in? Dude, my eyes went to this thing immediately.
Oh my
The wheels on this thing. It's lowered too, for sure. Look how low it is in the front.
How do you get in here?
Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this thing. Someday.
Oh, the blue.
Tahoe, dude. Look how clean this thing is. I know. It is cleaner.
The frame.
It's cleaner. I know. It's all been redone and coated. Dude, somebody really cares about this thing. How have I never seen this? You know, it's crazy. Like, you live around in the area, you think.
Well, we don't live this far.
We don't live this far out, I guess. That's true. But, I mean, you imagine some other people would come out this far.
How do you get
Oh, no, come here. Look, he did the rockers, and it doesn't look good. Oh, I feel good now. The paint job's bad. Oh, I feel better. I feel better. Sorry, I gotta pick out imperfections. I'm terrible.
Wait a minute.
Look at this thing.
The frame, but couldn't have done that better.
Well, I think he probably had somebody do it. I'm not gonna lie. See, it's got all the same love marks as Jake's does in the door. Bam, bam. Same color. Oh, it's so... Dude, this frame, this is a body off restoration, dude. There's no way. That frame, it's like a new frame. I'm just...
That looks insane.
I'm appalled.
Looks insane.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's it. What it's capable of, that's nothing.
Miata with a Acura
Next project.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean,
This sounds good.
it's not bad.
It sounds good under load too. You know what I mean? Like when you're actually cruising, these things just sound like nothing else. You
I
know?
don't hear a German V8 super hard.
No,
And they do have like a different.
for sure.
Yeah,
Oh man! Should have just in time.
get out of the way.
Yeah, right. Looks like some people are starting to filter out.
Oh, see all the scroll marks on it?
Yeah, that happens. Nice Malibu. Do you remember Adrian's? Remember Adrian's Malibu?
There's no signs that say no burnouts, so.
That's true, so you're allowed to. So the Accord is home. It's been a couple days since the show slash cruise. Wish I got better footage for you guys. Next time I'll get the GoPro on there and get some good shots, hopefully. Yeah, let me know what angles you guys want to see or what shots you want to see, where you think I should put the camera. Not really too familiar. Worried about losing the camera, but I guess it is what it is. I'll go back and pick it up off the side of the road. But the car looked really good. I got some pictures, took at the show. So yeah, people liked it, even though it was like mostly classic cars with some old guys that enjoyed it. So that's always cool. Definitely got some bug action going on the front, but yeah, it's looking good. So Naomi's car, I just put some new tires on. She had a little blowout, so we put the Kelly Edge Tourings on there. They look pretty nice. So we'll see how they ride. I got the center cap inside, so but yeah, they're looking good. She was almost due for new tires anyway, so old ones were kind of dry rotted. So yeah, we're taking care of the fleet. Still working on the Corvette, so I'll show you guys what I'm up to now. I got a lot of this going on here. We're almost at a point here where it's ready to drive. So I'm just messing around with the cluster. Seems like there might be something wrong with the cluster. with the tack, which is like the only thing I care about. All the other gauges could not work, and tack's gotta work, you know, maybe temp gauge too, but still gotta test it. And the lights aren't dimming, so I don't know if it's the photo sensor. Got a lot of stuff to diagnose, trying to figure out on this thing. So just gonna keep picking away at all these little issues that arise, and eventually everything will be fixed. So yeah, stay tuned for more content on the Accord, Corvette, the truck. I don't think I'm doing anything to the Civic anytime soon. That thing's just a daily. It's doing good though. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos. Peace.